Alright, so what we have is the product of 5 and a number is 40. What is the number? Now we need to know that the word product actually means multiplication. So the multiplication between 5 and a number is equal to 40. So what we'll do, this number that we're trying to think of, let's call it the letter A. And what we're trying to do is find out what A is equal to. So when we multiply 5 and A, we get the answer 40. So let's put that into a little equation. 5 times A is equal to 40. Now our job is to find out what A is equal to. So we can try and think of our multiplication tables and remember that 5 times 8 is equal to 40. So A is equal to 8. Okay, so we can think about this then as being very similar to the last question. $40 is shared equally among 5 people, so we can think about that as being a division. 40 divided by 5 is equal to some quantity here. Now, if we know our times tables, we know that 40 divided by 5 is going to be equal to 8. Look at the connection between that and our last question where we had 5 times a number was equal to 40. Remembering our times tables, 5 lots of 8 is equal to 40. Exactly the same, 40 divided into 5 equal parts gives us our total of 8. Alright, so what we have here is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to 27. Now we know that in an equilateral triangle, we're going to put these marks on the side here because it's telling us that in an equilateral triangle, all the sides are the same. We know that all the sides, when you add all 3 together, you get an answer of 27. But how can we write that now in algebra? Well, I guess if we pretend that the length of each side is equal to x. In an equilateral triangle then, we would have a total of 3 x's. Let's write that down. We've got x plus x plus x is equal to our total perimeter of 27. Now what we know that we can do here is combine our like terms. X plus x, well, it's going to give us 3 x's in total. 3 x's are equal to 27, which tells us then that 3 lots of the number, well, if we use our 3 times tables, 3 lots of 9 is equal to 27.